What is going on, YouTube, and welcome back to the ClearCryptos educational channel. My name is T Hobbs from the Crypto Shop, and of course, you know I brought my man Jay Seals with me. What's going on, brother?
How's it going, YouTube?
Hey, listen, guys, you know we like to bring you breaking news, we like to bring you upcoming news and educational content. On this particular video, we're going to be covering the news of the week, the last 3 months. It's like you can't go anywhere without talking about it. If you've been living under a rock, let me educate you. We're talking about Terra Luna Classic. Now, Terra Luna Classic has been absolutely ripping the charts, and this story kind of points out the information in regards to that. We're going to be covering the new tax burn as well as the chart. So first and foremost, this particular story says investors pumped 1.7 billion into Terra Classic in a week as Luna Classic gains 107%. Now, Luna Classic has been gaining some ridiculous gains, but just in this past week, it's gained 107%. And it's because investors, either larger investors or retail investors, everybody's funneling money into these things. As you can see, it says in this line, as of September 8th, Luna Classic market capitalization stood at 3.2 billion. That means it grew from 1.68 billion over 101.2% from the 1.59 billion recorded on September 1st. So just in a week's time, it's doubled its market cap, which means it's literally gained people 100%. Man, I wish I had 100 grand and then I could just say I made 100 grand in a week, which would be absolutely insane. But Justin, go ahead and take us into the next story, good sir.
All right, so next we got to talk about Binance because they are kind of somewhat supporting the tax burn on Terra Luna Classic. So as you may or may not know, Terra Luna Classic, there's a proposal out there to introduce a 1.2% burn tax for on-chain transactions for Luna Classic and USTC, but it's only on the Terra Classic network. Now, there's been other exchanges that have showed support, Binance being one of them. However, their support is not exactly what we're looking for if you support Luna Classic. So what they're doing is the deposit transactions will be taxed by Terra Classic network before it reaches Binance, and then the balance will be credited to your Binance account after the 1.2% tax deduction by the network. Withdrawals, users will receive the withdrawal amount minus the withdrawal fees charged by Binance and the 1.2% tax deduction by the network. So basically, you're going to get the 1.2% taxes in and out of Binance, but you won't get it for spot trading, which some Luna Classic holders might not be happy with that. I think personally it's a start, but we need to see them start doing it on spot trading and margin because that's where the real volume is at, especially on Binance because they're number one.
Exactly. And then, but we had a little bit of positive news, then some negative news, but this is very, very positive. As we can see here, finally, CoinMarketCap has gotten off their tails and listed Terra Luna Classic as the top 26 exchange above crypto.com with a market cap of 3.2 billion, skyrocketing up the charts. All this does is give more and more attention to Terra Luna Classic as seen by the charts today. Guys, this is the 15-minute chart. These lines represent a Fibonacci retracement, which we've gone over in previous educational videos. But as you can see here, we got some news about that Binance at about 9 a.m. and it caused a big dump. But I call this a retracement more so than a dump. As you can start to see now is we're trying to form this double bottom and see if this will play out. But the fact that we're in the 3050 range is absolutely incredible considering where this token came from just 3 months ago. Now, that being said, guys, I hope you have enjoyed the ClearCryptos educational update on Luna Classic. Remember, this is not financial advice. We're not here to tell you to buy, hold, or sell Luna Classic, just to bring you the facts and the updates as we receive them. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the video. But from the Crypto Shop, my name is T Hobbs. That man down there is Jay Seals, and we'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.